Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make this fidget cube. So there's the button and the spinning things. It's kind of hard to spin. And also those. It's really satisfying, and this controller. This touching place. Now today I have made the template on my own, because last time I actually copied the link from the other person, so this time I made it on my own. So guys, my name is Mimi, so I said fidget cube by Mimi, template printable, and this is the first page. And this is the second page. It looks really easy, but it's actually not that easy to make. Let's see. So first we cut all the square out. Now when you finish cutting them all out like this, and remember to tape it if you don't have actually just like this paper that is a little bit stronger. I just used paper, so I have to tape it. So let's go up to the next one. So next, what am I gonna do? I want to do this. So the next one we're gonna do is the button. So first the button have to be this one, and then cut it out. After you cut this out, you have to roll this. About the same size as this and this. It's about that big. Yes. Now you have to tape it well. So after you tape it, let's do so first I have tape already, so you will found you can do this. I made the button a little bit bigger, so I had to do it again. Maybe I'll just cut it out. You have to do it really good, so you got a good button. I'm not really good at making, but I tried my best doing this fidget cube. Maybe that's the same size. And this video is definitely gonna be a really long one. And then it can go through. Then leave it like this. Leave it like this. And next one, let's see. Let's do the spinning thing. So the spinning thing is this one. Cut this one and this one out. After you cut this two out, take the long one, take the long line, and do this. Do this to the end. It don't have to be a big space. It don't have to be a small space because we are just gluing it easier. And then I think fold them. Wait, which way? Fold them inside. After you finish folding it, then you can stick it like this. You can even do it outside. It's okay. It's easier, but it didn't look that good outside. After you finish taping this, it's like this. I didn't tape it really well, but anyways. So you have to make sure, can you put it in here? I might do it a little bit too big. So you might have to squeeze it in. Because it's paper, so you can squeeze it. Oh my gosh, it's keep on getting out. And then you also have to make sure can it spins. So if it can spin, then leave it there. Now the next one we're gonna make, maybe we're gonna make this. The one you can feel it really well. This one. Okay, so this one, we have to cut these. Wait, do I have to cut this? Oh no, this one. We have to cut this. This one is quick. I'm just gonna cut it. After you finish cutting it, you put it down here because this is not actually cardboard, so it's only a little bit like, yeah. So you put it behind it and glue it, tape it. After you tape it, it's like this, and it's not gonna feel good inside, so we have to tape it the inside too. But it didn't feel really nice, so it's just a decoration that you can feel. Anyways, it's just paper. Now the next step we're doing is the controller. This one is like easy to make. So now you have to cut this out. After you cut it out, tape it well, and then cut the tape off. Then you have to get onto the second page. The first page is finished. Second page, now you have to cut out the big one. Cut out the big one. After you cut out the big one, just wait a moment. Yes. Now, I think I made it a little bit too long. Yeah, it's a little bit too long, so you might have to cut it a little bit. Maybe about that. Maybe a little bit shorter. That long. And then you roll it. And tape it. Now tape this on. While you're taping this on, you have to cut this. And then fold it. Fold them all. And then it's easier to actually tape it on. When you finish, it's gonna be like this because I used tape, not hot glue, because I realized I don't have many hot glue left, so I'm not gonna waste it. Now, get this and put this in. I made it a little bit. Oh my gosh, the tape. Oh my gosh, it's coming down. No, that's a fail. Anyways, I can get it out. Just wait for me now. I can tape it again. Quickly. This video is gonna be too long. If it's 20 minutes, I can't put it on YouTube. So it have to be part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Gosh. Now it's like this. Put it in the hole at the middle here. And then I only can do a little bit because it's paper. It's not that good, but you can still shake it though. Now we are going to the last one. The last one is this. This is the hardest one to make. This one, so cut them four out. Cut them out. So you have to fold it in half, like this. And then when you're folding in half, fold it again, a little bit like this. Like that. And do all the same. After you've done them all the same, like this, now you have to get the last piece and at the back, put it at the back, wait, put it at the back like this, and then there's a space you can glue it on and do all for this. Done, it's gonna be like this. Now, yeah. And now you can glue them together. When you glue them together, the buttons have to be together. Oh, they have to always be together like this. So you can glue it up and it's done. Now I have glue like this. This is like those barbecues thing. And underneath is the touching thing and this buttons. Now I'm gonna glue the other side, this scratching thing. I glued the third one, but this one is a little bit broken, so otherwise it's actually pretty good. I did it pretty good. It's pretty good right now. I don't know if it's gonna break when I actually put them all up and play, but I wish it's not. But I think it's working. Finally, we are done. So this is a scratching part, and the button. Oh wait, came out. If you want to do the button better, you might have to put a paper here so it didn't actually goes in. And the touching part. This spinning part. Oh my gosh, why does it keep on going out? And the joystick. Now this time I do the template a little bit smaller, so I know it's not better than this one, but I like it so much. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.